What's going on, guys? Edward here, back with another video. Thank you so much for being here. This time I just wanted to do a quick update regarding these fears with Russia, Ukraine, and everything. So basically, today there was some news out that Russia is actually pulling back some of their troops, and basically that affected the markets positively. Yeah, you can see here that let me go shorter. Let me go on a 15-minute time frame right here. This was today, right here, 3 a.m. in the morning. This is the time in my country, based in my country. That's when London session opens. So look at that massive push getting out of this consolidation of this little um, channel right there, right here. After yesterday, a panic, like the market was crazy yesterday. Actually, London session dropped, then it started to push up back again in New York session. Then it dropped again, it pushed and back. So it was pretty much back and forth yesterday. A lot of fear. Um, and finally, the market has started to push up as soon as, Russia stated that they are pretty much pulling back some troops. So it did affect the market in a positive way. You can see, in fact, all the stocks right here pretty much in green. Um, even Bitcoin, even cryptocurrencies, they actually corrected as well, and they started to push up. So you can see right here, US 30, what it did. You see that big push. We're climbing now on top of this weekly support, very strong support. So price after that is just been consolidating. This is still, I would say, still a little bit of fear. Well, let's see what's going to happen. At least we are on a very strong support. Now, let's see what's going to happen here, so you can, be looking actually for buys. All right. This is US 30. S&P 500 was pretty much doing kind of like the same thing right there. You see that actually the skyrocket after the news. Um, basically, if you're following CNBC news, you can find, daily news and breaking news as soon as they are coming out. So you can follow this website to pay attention to the news. So basically, this happened. You see, Nasdaq also did push up very strong. This downtrend right here, you see yesterday was doing nothing, pretty much dropping and pushing back up, then going back down. So started to consolidate, and in London session, boom, that's when it's exploded pretty much to the upside. Let's see what's going to happen. The fears is still out there, not just because they are pulling back some troops. It means nothing is going to happen. Still, the fears are still in there. It's just that they're not this strong now. But we could still get some type of fake outs. Okay, market could be acting a little weird this week, so just be careful. Have that in mind. Um, just showing you here also the cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, for example, it was pulling back pretty much yesterday, and today started actually to push back up. Okay, as soon as London session opened, it started pushing back up. So let's see, anyways, what is going to happen. This is how it's looking, Bitcoin right now. I was expecting a deeper pullback, but it's stopping right there. Let's see if it's going to now continue pushing up and reaching the 50K again on Bitcoin. Ethereum pretty much did kind of like the same, a little pullback right there. You can see that that's a nice head and shoulder. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. So the neckline is looking around here. Let me see. Yeah, you can say that this is the neckline. So if you're interested on getting into buys, you know what to do there. Okay, getting into after the breakout of the neckline. So gold was actually pushing up very strong yesterday with the fear, and it was completely opposite. Like after the news came out, positive news came out at 3 a.m. in the morning, you see this massive drop starting to correct. Now it's coming back down. So you can see there on the daily right here. Let me show you right quick this channel pretty much. So it did reach previous highs right there, that nice resistance. and now it's closing the day with a bearish engulfing candle. So this might actually come back down all the way down here. This is a really nice level, okay, which is pretty much here what I was expecting, a push, pullback right here, and maybe then pushing back up. But let's see. Let's just keep an eye on gold as well. It's looking interesting, but waiting for a pullback in order to look for buys again. So and that's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to give you that little update regarding this fears that we're currently having, and with this issue between Russia and Ukraine, and now the United States getting into this, wanting to get into this thing. So hopefully nothing is going to happen, but just be aware the situation, and this actually is affecting the markets. So that's it, guys. Again, thank you for being here. If you're new on the channel, give it a big thumbs up, follow me, and make sure to also follow me on my Telegram group. So that's where I post pretty much all my daily information in there. Plus, if you're also interested on the course that I'm offering and mentorship and VIP signal group for life, just go into my website www.teamprofitsenglish.com. You will see the details in there. Alrighty, thanks again, guys, for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Take it easy, guys.